So,
are you doing what I think you're doing?
no. Alright, I'm playing around with the camera. Oh, I'm still in black and white mode. I guess this vlog will be in black and white mode. We're going to be going to Winnipeg soon.
Black and white vlog.
To have a all-you-can-eat wings night director's meeting with Gatlin Newfield. That's
gonna be fun.
yeah, that's yeah.
Oh wait, yes, Gatlin Fun Wings maybe.
I hate my job. Wait a second. No, I don't. I absolutely love my job. And what the heck is that? Isn't oh, that's good. Yes, keep doing that face. Wear that dress I like. For
Hey, pal.
hey, there's Ed, star of one of the stars of Spilled Milk, upcoming movie we're making.
Dress?
Wear that dress I like. All right.
No.
All right. So, in case you're confused about the Spilled Milk thing, Bayside Productions and 52 studios, films, whatever you want to call it, 52 studios, a division of Bayside Productions, is making a movie called Spilled Milk. I'm directing it. These guys are in it. That's Kevin Reimer. He won't be doing that in the film. That's Ed. What's your last name again?
Hatfield.
Hatfield?
Hatfield.
Hatfield.
As in the
Yes,
thing like
thanks, Hatfield. I got it already. Okay, thanks, bye. He's going to be playing the cook character, roommate. And Kev's going to be playing the guy that visits. Doesn't say much. I don't know where he went, though. Bunch of gamers, and
I killed him, sorry.
the two main characters we have yet to cast, but
You have to find your roommate character.
possibly. I'll get back to you on the actors for those. But the two main characters are just broke up with their girlfriends, and it goes through the 5 stages of, what is it called again?
Grief.
We make good money here. 5 stages of grief, and it'll be episodic, so it'll release in 15-minute intervals on Beta Site Productions at YouTube.com. So,
Don't you dare steal the idea before we get it done.
don't you dare steal. This is already copyrighted. I'm copyrighting it right now, verbally and visually, with this video.
The vocal video capture thingy.
Yeah. So, we'll keep you posted on
Give me your
that.
Tools.
Yeah. Stuff and
Very
junk.
cool.
What you doing? What you doing? Monies?
Buttering toast.
Yes.
They're gonna steal it over YouTube, though.
You're
You're
gonna
gonna
steal
steal it
money?
over YouTube?
I'll shut up now. Hey, look at that! Star Trek's
This
lens
is
flares.
pocket money. There's $500 pocket money.
I don't get a lens flare anymore. $500 pocket money.
Yeah. Wings, man. Wings.
$500 for full of wings. So, all right.
How are they going to steal his money over YouTube?
Exactly.
I don't know.
Well, it's expellable.
All I know is that YouTube pays us a shitload of money.
Constantly.
All the time.
Please, YouTube, pay us.
YouTube, please stop paying us. We can't keep up.
Give it to me, I'll
I
give
guess you
it.
guys aren't using this hot water.
What? I didn't use hot water.
I didn't use hot water.
I was.
You were.
I
You
was
wasn't.
gonna make hot chocolate.
Fail.
Epic
Oh,
fail.
Your hot chocolate.
No, it's not.
You has a fail.
Ow!
That's epic fail.
He has an
You
epic.
see it steaming.
You have an epic fail.
Ow!
Really?
Now he has an Ellen.
Oh, that was funny.
You know what? Okay, Kevin just made toast, didn't he?
Yes?
Okay, that's why that burnt, but I felt it here because they both burnt me at the same time. So I got burns here, here, and here now.
See,
That's a triple apple.
Wow.
Polygraph.
Him trying to say epic
4.
fail was an epic fail.
4 fails in a row.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for the zero.
You have 4 fails.
You touch
Guts.
something hot when you know it's hot, and then to touch it again is called an Ellen. It's called pulling an Ellen.
It's in the dictionary now.
Hang on, just let me get my...
All right. See you in the car. Apparently I can film in brown, called sepia. It's kind of weird. It's like this looks like I'm very angry and I'm seeing the world through angry eyes. Can you even see me right now? My veins. Jigglypuff.
Jigglycoff?
Jigglypuff. Jigglycoff.
It says 70, but that's for dogs.
Off to Winnipeg. So excited. Yeah. Look at the weather.
I just don't understand why 44 cents for wings is a big deal. That's like twice as much as it should cost.
Yeah.
And, you know, not to bitch about wings, but you know, for a decent amount of wings, you're paying like almost $20. That it's not too appealing.
All right. Oh, let's see what happens. All right. Like that's insane. Look at that.
We're doing this for wings.
And our job. Yeah, it's I don't know if you can catch it all on film or not, but it's not catching it all on film, I don't think, but that's a lot of snow blowing there.
Well, it's patches of snow blowing, so
Yeah.
so this is clear, and we've driven through 2 patches of
See that light?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know if it. I kind of missed it. Yeah, as soon as I hit record. That's paddling. Oh, Winnipeg. Oh, Canada.
It's not as if it's
Touché.
a particularly nice house, he said.
You gotta love
I'm
it, eh?
sorry, but I happen to like it. You'll like the vibe.
Seriously, where did the car go?
Said Arthur Dent.
I don't know.
Shut up and
It disappeared.
Take
Look on
your
the screen.
bloody bite
It's a
out with
ghost car.
You haven't got a leg to stand on, and you know it.
Yeah.
Why is that so much bullshit?
I don't know.
It makes sense to me. Like, seriously, I cannot see where I'm going.
That's all I say.
Why do you zombify when I say? That's not good. I can't see the guy. Why is he there? What? Why the fuck? Like, seriously, dude. What is wrong with this screen around you? I do this all over the place.
I don't think I've said a word yet. Oh, I just said one.
Oh,
this
you
is really
totally
good.
partied out.
That is awesome. That is fucking awesome, man. I want to drive. No, I don't.
I know.
Look at me drive. I'm driving all over the place. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Lick my balls? What?
What?
I'm German. What do you expect?
Oh, he just offended Germans.
Yay!
On film.
Oh. Well, they did start World War II.
Oh!
They lick tits too. Oh.
They what? They like tits? Oh, I like tits.
They lick tits.
Oh, I like tits
They
too.
lick tits a lot.
I do too. Problem?
Oh.
Anyways. Ugh. This is insane. That's crazy. Alright. Oh, I feel guilt. We're Canadian Tire in Winnipeg, getting some survival supplies because we're afraid.
We're afraid.
We're afraid.
I just know it's going to happen.
Oh, okay.
Don't have me on the belt.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Piece of candy.
False box.
Yeah, like it's like a TV and
It's a
it's
sound
like a
system.
CD player. Yeah,
That's actually kind of cool.
that's kind of neat. $99.99. Had to degrade the film footage because I'm running out of time.
How's this?
There's no chair for me.
On tonight's film,
blah 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 blah.
Ah, it is. Well, I'll sit on this stepping stool. Oh, fine. Oh. We could do the unnecessary camera angle thing.
All unnecessary.
Ham squeeze. Cham ease? Uh-oh, where'd Alan go? Where did he go? Oh, there's product placement everywhere. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Found you.
Sniper.
I'm gonna zoom in. You're right, there's a sniper there. That's creepy. That's very creepy. Your helmet is so big. Oh. Just look at that. I want to go to Vancouver now. That's horrible. That's nuts. I totally want this camera. It's the new Sony CyberShot. It's funny, on my camera, when I'm filming it, it looks blue, but in reality it's purple. Oh, looks weird. Look at that. I'm filming it, it looks blue, but in reality it's purple. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
You go, girl. $199. Basically what I paid.